Alright, I figured I'd do a quick video on this Westinghouse Mobile Aire 5000, the air conditioner I picked up over the weekend. I got this from Russ Stacy at the air conditioner meet. Here's the information. It's a 5000 BTU model. Uses F52 refrigerant, which is interesting. And be careful not to drop the filter. Does have the cover. Well, there goes the filter into the shit abyss. And there it is with the cover back on it. Has a thermostat, different cooling settings, your ventilation thing up here. Yeah, it's actually in really good shape. Gonna have to fix that later, but go ahead and start this up, I guess. Here's high cool. It's a very nice unit, but I need to figure out a better way to keep it in the window. I mean, it's in there, but I can't screw it in like I did the Gibson that I had in here. But anyway, let's start. Hopefully I caught that. We'll fix that later. I do like how these side panels are plastic. Kind of different than what they usually are. And it works very, very well. We got low cool there. Got low fan, high fan, which I haven't actually used on this. I usually leave it on night cool because it's quieter. This is actually quieter than the Gibson I have, although it is smaller BTUs, I will say that. Now I did get another air conditioner at the air conditioner meet that actually might cool this room better than this one, and that was the GE Carry Cool. It's like a 59,000 BTU. But that'll get its own video at some point later on. But yeah. Man, that's gonna have to get worked on after release. But yeah, thanks Russ Stacy, and thanks all the air conditioner guys. Y'all were a really good crowd. Hopefully I can make it up there again next year. But yeah, as for everybody else, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. God bless.